All right, mate. Let's have a look at Wink. Yeah, sorry for the late reply. Just got caught up doing a few things earlier. Um, target profit for Wink. I like it. I like Wink. Normally, in these circumstances, if we can hold up, there often can be a target of into the red 200 moving average if you're willing to hold that long. Like look at this break up here on the RSI, the whole downtrend. I didn't draw it very well, but you can kind of see that. I should have just got the trend line. Um, but you can kind of just see this break up and a bit of strength. It's exactly what you want to see. Um, this pivot here could also be a bit of a test pump. And in previous, not previous, but previous as well, actually, but in other coins, this sort of action happened and we grinded higher. Now, if you look here, there's something similar here. When you get this spike up, maybe after, like if you want to just try and put that there like that, for example, then you could put this here, whatever way you want to draw that. There is that resistance point here. You kind of had this resistance point here, as you can see, but this spike here is kind of a test pump into liquidity, and then what it does is it kind of allows price to more freely go higher because it has taken liquidity here and it ran stops. And then there's no orders in the order, but less orders in the order book because of this. It's a little bit like this one over here when you get the spike up and then price is easily able to come back up. It did obviously pull back and then go higher again. Now, what I will say is my concern is that there may be some sort of a dip on a new 2 week candle, and it's going to be important to trade that. Now, I do have a target of higher prices. I think we're going to come back up, into that red 200 moving average up in here. I can draw a line here just, and that may drop, but up into that area. But my concern is that there may be a bit of a dip on a new 2 week candle. That's a possibility that we cannot rule out. So what I'm saying is, it may not be good to load up here in case there's that bit of a dip. You definitely can buy some here, but be prepared to add lower potentially. Or if you want to do the safe way, you can trade a new 2 week candle, and then if it flips green, you can get long and stay long as the candle on the 2 week stays green. Just like if you had bought at the start of this 2 week, at the start of this 2 week, at the start of this 2 week, at the start of this 2 week. The small dip here on this one, but as soon as that flipped green, if you bought and you held and sat back and relaxed, you would have made money. Same on this one. As soon as this flips green on a new 2 week candle, you can buy this and sit back and relax. You don't need to panic and take profits at 3 or 5%. You can have your stop there below or even at break even eventually, and relax and let the candle do its work. Let time do its work. Only if the candle stays green.